combining locks are not the best, okay, because these are already locked hair, so they take time to combine. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be talking about and also doing combining locks, combing our locks. That's basically what we are doing. So some of my locks are like really thin, like some are so thin, like just start with these ones at the front. They're like so thin, and some are like quite thick. My hair is already locking, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to comb them out. Like I'm going to comb the ones that are too thin, and I'm going to combine them with the other ones. So I have my tail comb, I have my interlocking too, just in case I may want to combine to interlock the loose hair to the already locked hair. And in this little bottle I have water and conditioner. So I'm just going to take my spray. This requires lots of patience, so you really need to be like really patient. I think it's definitely going to shed hair. So this is like really normal for hair to come out. I've had this for 5 months, so definitely to have some shed hair on it. I'm supposed to have, have a rubber band on my hair, but just forgot. So I'm just going to rub a bit of water on it. I'm trying to take out the conditioner. Since I'm not like leaving it out, I'm about to lock it back in. So I don't want conditioner locking with my hair. Length check. Like guys, see now. Locks really retains length. My length will come soon and see. Can you see? Like see the difference. Use it. Try to use a bit of oil to dab it out. And one of the reasons I actually think that this particular hair to lose wasn't just because it's only small, but because I already have a hole in it, like due to my interlocks. Despite the fact it's really thin, I don't know why, but like so. See what? Oh God, like my hair is like really long now. This makes me definitely feel good. So, shed hair. So now I'm just going to repeat the same process, find where to put them in, and that's all. So that's it. So I decided not to interlock them again, not because I can't actually, but because I still be two-strand twist and I do not want to like change them. And I'm not like really a pro in it, so rather not just mess up the whole hair. I think those are the ones I'm going to be, I think those are the only ones I'm just going to, because those are the only ones my hand can find. So I lost this level of shed hair. I don't think it's too much, 5 months from two strands. So that's it, like I am done. I'm just looking all good. No one ever notices what went on. And so you have that's how you combine your locks without actually like going through the rigorous process of just combining like two already matured locks, or even though mine is not already matured, but that this is just a better way because it's less obvious. It's going to lock faster because it's loose hair. You're mixing the locked hair instead of locked and locked. That's going to like take another time. So like that's it. And no one notices. Like I really like it because like now I can be more. So if you do not want to like lose your whole process, lose your whole hair and start again, you can do this. Or if you can lose your whole hair and start again, that's totally fine. so that you don't get displeased with your locks in the long run. Got to the end of this video, you're like the absolute best. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like, comment, share. Make use of the comment section, share your thoughts as to how you feel about it, which style do you use, and many more. All right then.